Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelicans. Come over here, guys, come on. Now, back to Africa. Birds with their sexy long legs, supermodels of the wild are greater flamingos. From South America, let's welcome a colorful applause from up there and there. Well, there you have it, everyone, a grand finale of birds. Can we give them a big hand? Now with that, we have come to the end of the show. Now if you would like to take pictures with our flamingos, please do stay, as we will be bringing out another group of flamingos for you guys to take pictures.